Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Curtis. The reason I'm here today, I want to testify that this all appliance does work and work well. I was having problems sleeping. I found out I had sleep apnea, and I did. One, I was snoring a lot. My wife kept reminding me of that because I always get nudged in the side every time I go to sleep, start snoring. And since I started using this mouthpiece, it had worked. I can go home now when I do sleep, I can rest well, and I don't get nudged in the side, so that sure relieve the pain from my side. And it is a very good appliance. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, is it comfortable to wear?
Yes, it is very comfortable to wear.
Good. And as far as caring for it and maintaining it, any problems there for you?
It's none at all. It's very easy to maintain, and taken care of. So it is worth it.
All right, great.
Thank
well,
you.
thanks a lot, Curtis.
Oh, you're certainly welcome. Thank you.